Devintelle's paying guest management system. Manage your paying guest service smoothly with our paying guest management system in Odoo. Add leads easily from calls, websites, and other sources and convert them into opportunities. Create and manage bookings, configure room types, facilities, and booking details. Add and manage PG details like rooms, beds, facilities, rules, and contact info. Manage deposits, payments, invoice, and agreements from the booking. Track booking stages and manage guest departure and refunding deposit. Store and manage guest document for easy access and tracking. Send important documents or notice to multiple guests at once. Generate reports on bookings, bed status, and allocation history in PDF and Excel. Ready to transform your paying guest? Contact us today at 87805 43446 or email at odoo@devintelle.com.